So I'm starting right here. Get this. Dang. That sucked. Wait, one second, let me pause this. Let me go here. Let me try to swipe this down. Let me just unconnect these. Okay, let's do and X out the full screen. Okay, let's keep going. No, I haven't done it yet. Okay, let's go check. Oh, let's see what this is. Mission. Okay, let's put this back. There we go, so you guys can actually hear me now. Sam.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out. All around me are.
Guess I'll spin this once. Guess I'll keep going. Okay, so that failed. Okay, I'm gonna play again. Hopefully nothing happens again. No.
Familiar faces.
Yeah, I think it's starting getting annoying. Of course, man. But, yeah, there we go. Yes. Okay. Yeah. I wonder if I could ever be defeated. I wonder if that could.
You like Beetlejuice like shit, boy. Like my man Mickey said, skinny at the top but fat at the bottom. Where the fuck do you get that shit at? You got that on M&H like shit, boy. Forever 22 like shit. That's probably us, but I'm not not gonna say nothing. No. Don't even say nothing to me, boy. You look like a. Fucking no!
What is this? Yes. Hello.
Hey, where's Dan?
I think he's in his room.
Where?
His room.
No, I didn't see him. If you wanna hit the ball, you gotta come to the kitchen and do it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, he is.
No, thanks.
You wanna help Jonathan lick the ball?
Hmm? Okay.
He said he was. He said just a minute. Pardon?
I will.
There's not a whole lot there, but enjoy. You can use the big spoon, leave the little spoon for him.
Oh, you can have it, Marcus. There's not really that much in there. It's okay.
I know there's not that much, but you know.
You can have it.
Dip your finger in her.
I'm good. You can have it. I'll just take some of the real brownie. I said I'll just take some of the real brownie.
That's too good. Opa's work.
Oh, never mind. Take something later, I guess. Love you. Oh, what? I died. Okay. I think I should keep going. I got refund. God dang. Dude, why does my game keep ruining this? God dang it. I have to do that? Speed up.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, 10 minutes, I'm stopping this video. Okay, maybe at 11. Yeah, I'll stop it at 11 minutes.
Get to Del Talk?
Dude, why am I freaking Santa? I wonder what I look like in one of the power-ups, dude. Okay, I'm gonna go and check that out if I can make it. Yes, power up. Oh yes. Oh, bro, this is freaking sweet.
Taco, they got a new thing called Free Shavakadu. Free Shavak.
No. Flip the camera. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna stop the video here. Goodbye.